Hi, I'm Michael. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to our 3 families of beautiful sheer curtains. We're going to meet them up close and we're going to get to see exactly what colours each one of them are. So I'm going to take one off the hanger and show you, but just for right now, I want to show you, this is our Barley range. Now, Barley is from a company called NetX. We buy the fabrics directly from NetX and we buy them in bulk. So this is a really big selling beautiful linen look sheer curtain. It's lead weighted, as you can see on the bottom there. Can you see that, Kylie? Yep. And the maximum height we can do is 3200 because we run the fabric what we call continuous from left to right. So in this Barley range, we've got white, I have to read this, white, pearl, blush, cloud, which is the popular one, the light grey, ash, thunder, and black. The next material we're going to look at is a new one for NetX. It's called Lucerne. It's also got a maximum drop of 3200 if we are running it in the continuous direction. So it's a beautiful plain voile. It is also lead weighted across the bottom there. Like I said, I'll show you closely what it is. So get on with it, Michael. The colours: white, blonde, orchid, latte, cobblestone, platinum, pewter, phantom, and black. And the last fabric I want to show you in our sheer curtain range is a fabric called Mystique. Now, we import this directly in from Turkey. It's a beautiful fabric. It's very heavy. It drapes really very well. It's been very popular on the iSick Finds website. It has a maximum drop of 2900 millimeters. If we're running it left to right, you're going to get sick of seeing me do that. The colours are white, antique white, linen, get out of the way of it, hey, sea spray, light grey, ash, slate, and licorice. Now, there are 2 more colours that we're introducing, which should be arriving at the start of 2020, which will be a bright white that'll kind of fit in here. If you kind of look at that compared to that, can you come in close and see the white difference? So we've kind of got the Mystique in a barley, this white colour, just to really brighten that range up there. And I've mucked up your thing there, Kylie. And the next colour we've got is a colour called Cinder, which is going to sit down this end, which is going to be a beautiful black colour. So I'm going to put the book down and I'm just going to show you a little bit closer. This is the Barley fabric here. Just want to show you, it's a beautiful sheer curtain fabric. It drapes very well. It's a linen look. It's a nice wide width and looks terrific. That's what we saw in the introduction video at the end there. And look how bad I put that back. This is a very popular fabric. It's lead weighted. It's just a beautiful plain voile, and I'd probably like to show you the lead weighting of it. So can you see that? It's beautiful and floaty. It's on trend color range. It's lightweight, and that's just going to drape beautifully for a nice plain S-fold sheer curtain. The Mystique, I'll show you the light grey. That's what, if you looked at Instagram, the photos of my house is what I used. It's a lot heavier than the other 2. It's just physical weight. Like I know you can't feel it in the video camera, but to feel it, it's quite heavy. And that's a beautiful sort of crushed linen look. I sort of hope that comes through in the camera, but it's a crushed linen look, and this is what I've used at my house. And over winter, I was actually quite surprised for my back double doors when I opened the fabric here, how much cold air I felt. So I really felt it was actually doing a good job as far as insulation goes. So anyway, that's the range that we have in stock. That's what we're going to be dispatching kind of in about 2 weeks, and I hope you enjoyed that, and see you in the next video. Bye.